200,000 a year? You've seen the headlines. What you haven't seen is the truth about how long it actually takes. Today, I'm covering 7 trades that can generally pay $200K, and I'm giving you the real timeline for each one. Not the fantasy version, the honest version. Most videos about 6-figure trades gives you one number and stop. 200,000 a year. Sounds incredible. Leaves out the part that actually matters. How long does it really take to get there? Here's what I'm doing differently in this video. I'm ordering these 7 trades from fastest realistic timeline to slowest. Some of these hit 200K in 5 years, but only through rare conditions that not everyone will experience. Others take 8 to 12 years, but the path is dependable and repeatable for anyone willing to put in the time. I'm telling you which is which. No exceptions, no skip content. Number 7 on this list might surprise you the most because the fastest path to 200K is also the most unpredictable. Stay with me. Let's get into it. Before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe. All right. Number 1, storm and disaster restoration lineman realistic timeline. 3 to 5 years, but only during active storm seasons, starting with the fastest path on this list. And the most important honesty flag of the entire video. A storm restoration lineman travels to disaster areas after hurricanes, ice storms, and major outages to restore power. Base journeyman lineman pay runs $70,000 to $100,000, depending on region. But storm work changes the math entirely. During active storm deployment, hourly rates can climb to $100 an hour or more with overtime and hazard pay. A strong storm week can gross $5,000 to $12,000. Documented reports from working linemen show journeymen clearing close to $200K in a single year, but specifically in years with heavy storm activity and aggressive travel. Here's the honest caveat. This is not guaranteed annual income. It is an upside, not a baseline. A lineman working steady local hours without chasing storms will not see this number. The 200K outcome requires willingness to travel at a moment's notice, work 16-hour days for weeks at a time, and chase active disaster zones. For the right person, physically capable, willing to travel, willing to grind through brutal conditions, this is generally the fastest path to 200K on this entire list. But it is also the most volatile. Some years deliver it, some years don't. All right, next up. Hey, pause, real quick. Before you go all in on a trade, let me save you from making the mistake I see all the time, picking the wrong one. Course Careers has an AI career counselor named Coura, and she's built specifically for this. You tell her about your goals, your lifestyle, how you like to work, and she'll map you to the right fit. Whether that's HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project managing, construction estimating, architectural drafting, or supply chain coordinator. Then she hands you a free intro course so you can test drive the career before you spend a dime on training. Students have used this to break into high-paying careers in as little as 4 to 12 weeks. No degree, no experience required. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Don't pick a trade blind. Use the tool. Number 2, data center electrician specialist realistic timeline. 5 to 6 years. Here's number 2, and this is where specialization inside an existing trade creates a faster path than starting from scratch in a new one. A general journeyman electrician earns $70,000 to $90,000 in most markets. That is solid pay. It is not $200,000. But the electrician who specializes, especially in data center electrical systems, is in a different category entirely. Backup power, UPS systems, precision distribution for server environments. Specialized data center electricians are documented earning $150,000 to $200,000. Here's a realistic path. Complete your IBEW apprenticeship, typically 4 to 5 years. Become a journeyman, then pivot specifically into data center construction and maintenance work. The AI build-out is creating intense demand for electricians who understand these specific systems. The specialization year, year 5 or 6, is where the income jump happens. This is not a guaranteed income for every electrician. It requires deliberately targeting data center work rather than staying general residential or commercial. But for the electrician who makes that deliberate choice, this is one of the most realistic and repeatable 200K paths on this list. Now this next one. Number 3, saturation diver, hyperbaric welding specialist realistic timeline. 5 to 7 years. Here's number 3, and this is the trade with the highest documented ceiling. If you make it through the full ladder, the path runs through tender, then air and mixed gas diver, then saturation diver, with hyperbaric welding as the specialty that pays the most. Tender pay starts around $66,000. Air and mixed gas diving moves to $60,000 to $120,000. Saturation diver performing hyperbaric welding at depths are documented earning $150,000 to $300,000 annually, with day rates of $1,300 to $1,500 during peak demand seasons. Here's the honest timeline. Commercial dive school runs 6 to 12 months. Tendering takes 1 to 2 years. Building towards regular saturation and welding assignments takes several more years after that. The realistic total path to constant 200K level income is 5 to 7 years, and only for the divers who specifically pursue the hyperbaric welding specialty rather than staying in generalist. This is also one of the most physically and mentally demanding careers on this entire list. The pay reflects that difficulty. All right, next up. Number 4, elevator mechanic, senior technician and inspector realistic timeline, 6 to 8 years. Here's number 4, and the path here runs through union tenure rather than business ownership. IUEC journeyman elevator constructors earn $95,000 to $145,000 in most major markets. New York, Chicago, and San Francisco push above $160,000, but senior elevator mechanics and inspectors are documented at $180,000 to $260,000 in top markets. These are the people who have accumulated 10-year based wage steps and deep institutional knowledge across multiple generations of elevator equipment. Here's the realistic timeline. The IUEC apprenticeship itself is 4 years. Reaching senior mechanic and inspector status with the highest 10-year based pay steps takes another 2 to 4 years beyond that. This is one of the more dependable paths on this list because the pay structure is built into the union wage scale itself. It is not dependent on storm season or building your own client base. It is dependent on completing the apprenticeship and accumulating tenure in a high-paying union market. The trade-off is entry. Union apprenticeship slots in this trade are competitive to get into. Now this next one. So real quick, I want to talk about something that paid for itself faster than I expected. My brother Shane put together this program called the Content Growth Engine. Now I know what you're thinking. Of course you're going to say it's good. He's your brother. Fair. But I legit paid to join out of my own pocket because I wanted to find out for myself. And it paid for itself fast. First month in, I had a $214 day. Month 4, I'm hitting $445 days. Month 5, $519 days. And it just keeps building from there. And I'm not grinding for it either. Less than 4 hours a week. No marketing background, no tech stuff. Just a system that works and actually makes sense. If that sounds like something you've been looking for, the link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Go check it out. Number 5, master plumber business owner with crew, realistic timeline, 7 to 10 years. Here's number 5, and this is where we shift from individual wages to business ownership. That shift changes both the timeline and the ceiling. Employed journeyman plumbers earn $60,000 to $90,000 depending on region. Master plumbers in employed positions reach $80,000 to $108,000. Neither of those numbers get you to $200K. Here's what does. A master plumber who owns their own business with 2 or 3 employees is documented earning $150,000 to $300,000. Here's the honest timeline. UA apprenticeship runs 5 years. Several more years of journeyman experience and saved capital are typically needed before starting a business. Then 2 to 3 years building the business to the point where it supports both the crew and meaningfully owner profit. That puts the realistic total timeline at 7 to 10 years, not 5. This is not guaranteed outcome either. It requires the willingness to run a business. Hiring, scheduling, marketing, managing, cash flow, not just performing the trade itself. But for the master plumber who builds and grows a real company, this is one of the most dependable and repeatable 200K paths on this entire list. All right, next up.
Hey, quick break here. If you're interested in a free course on getting into the trades, then click this link below.
Number 6, master electrician, commercial contracting business owner, realistic timeline, 7 to 10 years. Here's number 6, and the logic here mirrors master plumber. Business ownership is what creates the ceiling, not the journeyman wage alone. IBEW journeyman electricians earn $87,000 to $144,000 in base wages plus benefits in major markets. The master electrician who owns a commercial contracting company with 10 to 15 electricians is generating $3 million to $6 million in annual revenue, with owner income well above $200K in established operations. Here's the realistic timeline. IBEW apprenticeship runs 4 to 5 years. The master electrician license requires additional years of documented journeyman experience, plus passing a master exam. Building a contracting business with a 10 to 15 person crew realistically takes several more years beyond earning the license. The total realistic timeline, 7 to 10 years. And that's for someone who deliberately pursues business ownership rather than staying an employed journeyman indefinitely. The business itself is the asset that creates this income level. The license alone does not. All right, last one. Here it is. Quick break here. If you're sitting here wondering which trade is actually right for you specifically, I built a free 5-minute tool that walks you through it. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Number 7, HVAC service contractor, established business owner, realistic timeline, 8 to 12 years. Okay, here's number 7, the slowest realistic timeline on the list. And I want to be completely honest about why. I have lived this exact arc for 30 years, so I'm not a neutral observer. But that also means I know exactly how long this actually takes. Entry-level HVAC techs earn $42,000 to $62,000. Senior commercial techs with chiller certifications reach $100,000 to $130,000 after 3 to 5 years. Neither number is $200K. Here is what gets you there. An HVAC business owner with an established maintenance agreement, customer base, a trained crew, and years of recurring revenue compounding can absolutely clear $200K in personal income. But that maintenance agreement base does not exist on day 1. It does not exist in year 3. It takes years, one customer at a time, of building a recurring revenue base that eventually reaches critical mass. Realistically, that puts the timeline at 8 to 12 years from entry-level technician to an HVAC business generating $200K in owner income. This is the slowest path on the list. It is also one of the most dependable because the demand for HVAC service is not going away. And the business model, once built, produces predictable compounding revenue year after year. Slow and steady, but generally real. Look, $200K in the trades is real, but the honest timeline matters more than the headline number. Storm lineman, data center electrician, saturation diver, elevator mechanic, master plumber, master electrician, HVAC contractor. Some of these hit $200K in 5 years through rare volatile conditions. Others take 8 to 12 years through dependable business ownership. Both are real paths. Just know which one you're actually walking into. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment. Which one of these timelines surprised you the most? I read every single one. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.
If you need to learn the trades, go to Zach of all trades.